Hello friends, today our topic is while statement in Java. While is actually a looping statement. Java while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. If the condition evaluates to true, then we will execute the body of the loop and go to the update expression. Now let us see the syntax, how to write the while loop. Every loop will have a loop control variable. So here we will initialize the loop control variable. For example, int I is equal to 1 or I is equal to 10, anything you can have. Then you have to write while and the condition should be given in parentheses. This is the loop body inside which you will have valid Java statements, and not only that, the update expression, that is whether the loop control variable will increase or decrease, that expression should be out here in the loop body itself. Now let us write a Java code to understand while statement correctly. So this is my editor. I will define a new class called looping. Let us start writing the program. Opening the class inside which you will have the main method. Now friends, I would like to print my name n number of times. So you can use scanner class for entering the value of n. That will take some time. To avoid that time, I would like to concentrate on the dry run, for which I'm going to use parameter as a shortcut actually. So this is my main method, and now I have to initialize the loop control variable. Let the loop control variable be I, and initially let it be 1 because I would like to count from 1 to n. And I'm going to do what? I'm going to print my name n number of times. So counting will start from 1 and it will keep on 2, 3, 4 and so on till n it will count. So what would be the condition? How long the loop will go? Till I reaches n number of times. This is my loop body, and I'm going to print system, and I'm going to print my name. Okay, I told you that the loop updation will be done inside the loop body only. So my loop will increase by 1, that is I++. This is the while loop is getting closed, the method is getting closed, and the class. Now what actually will happen? I is initially 1. Okay. Is I less than or equal to n? N, suppose n is equal to 3. Okay, so n value is what? 3. Is I less than or equal to 3? 1 is less than 3, so it will print whatever you have here. Sharta will be printed. I will get increased by 1. It was 1, now this time it would be 2. From here it will go to the condition again. Is 2 less than 3? Because n value is 3. Yes. So Sharda will be printed again. This time, last time we had 2, so 2 plus 1 would be 3. From here it will go to condition again. Is 3 less than or equal to n? I is 3 and n is also 3. This time this evaluation or this condition will be true. So it will go inside. Sharda will be printed. After that it would be 4. From here it will go to this part again. Is 4 less than 3? No. Is 4 is equal to 3? No. So here it will come, means end of loop. So let us print So when you are out of the loop, it will print this message. That means if n is 3, 3 times my name will be printed, and the last thing will be printed what? End of while loop. Now let us compile. Okay, so no syntax error. Now let me run the program. I'll pass n value as 3 only. So sorry, let me clear this and let me run the program once more. N value is 3 only. Okay, so Sharda, Sharda, Sharda 3 times, and that is the last statement that I printed after. That means when the loop is actually finished, then only this statement will be executed. I hope each one of you have understood while loop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning. And of course, do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you so much.